Victorian Crime. City crime rates were high in Victorian England, particularly amongst the criminal class. This was the name the Victorians gave to the poor working class who sometimes had to steal just to survive.
Oh yeah.
Crime was a popular subject during Victorian times. Richer people sometimes went to the slums to see for themselves what it was like to live in such a poor area. It was considered an adventure. Oh! Then, in 1887, the first Sherlock Holmes story was published. The public were drawn to the theme of crime, which was very real to them, and were confronted by the fact that Sherlock always managed to solve the crime. Yes! In the short stories, Sherlock used his powers of deduction to solve crimes. He came up with a list of possible solutions, then ruled them out one by one until he found the answer. He also used science to help him find evidence and solve clues. In the late 1800s, forensic science was really taking off. The author of the Sherlock stories, Arthur Conan Doyle, was a medical doctor who understood how science could be used to solve crimes. His books were so popular that the police even began to ask Doyle to help them investigate crimes they couldn't solve themselves.